Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna explain to you how to download and install Battleground India. Battleground India hasn't reached to the Indian Play Store yet. But before, if you guys wanna download it and play it, you are at the right place. For that, I have given the links in the description. Now go to the link and download the APK file and OBB file which is given in this website. And after that, you have to go to the download folder of your phone and install the APK file. Give it some time. Wait till it gets installed. Done. Now, what you have to do is very simple. You have to go to the Android folder in your phone. Yeah. And go to the OBB folder. And you have to create a folder. New folder. Name the folder as com.pubg.imobile. Done. Now you have to install a RAR. For the RAR, I'll give you the description, or you can simply go to the Play Store and type RAR and you can download it from there. And after installing RAR, go to the RAR and there'll be your RAR file. There's this OBB file. Click on it and extract. You have to extract into the folder that we made before in the Android OBB, and there is this folder com.pubg.imobile, and you have to extract here. Click OK. It will take a bit of time. Done. And now you're ready to go. Now open the app. It's starting. Permission. Here it is. Okay. Downloading the file. It will take a bit of time. Done. Okay. Now downloading 618 MB. This is the resources, as you know that. It's nearly done. Update finished. Please restart. Okay. Now we are restarting it. Accept. Login. Accept. Now it's opening. Click yes. Now we are ready to go. They're asking to transfer the account. Please click yes. Now they are taking to the login page. Click yes. Login. Now they are asking to transfer the data again. Click yes. And now the data has been transferred. And look at the map. It's season 19. It's brand new. That's all. Now let's go and play. Match starting. That's all, guys. Now it's all pretty much same as a global version in the gameplay. Now if you like the video, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.